Hola y welcome to the Daily Word Builder. Today the word is ambos and that means both, a wonderful word. ¿Cómo se define? How do you define it? Bueno, let's see. Si puedes entender eso. Cuando tienes dos cosas o hablas de dos personas, ambos se utiliza para hablar de los dos. So that's another way of saying it, isn't it? Los dos. Ambos. Okay. Es adjetivo. It's an adjective. So you could have ambos or ambas. Por ejemplo, manos. We all know these should be masculine, manos, but they're not. They're feminine. So it would be ambas manos. Días. We know that should be feminine, but it's not. It's masculine. So we would say ambos días, both days. Okay. How are you going to remember this? ¿Cómo se puede recordar esa palabra? Well, I looked at memorize ambos and some of the little memes or whatever they're called were useful. So you have President Bush ambushing dos soldados. So you get ambos, you can mash it together. But I like this one better. My beautiful goddaughter, Amber, is ambidextrous. She uses both hands. So Amber uses both hands because she's ambidextrous. Ambos comes out of that, and I love that. Now, you're going to use this word. So, you could say, Quiero ambos. You're looking at a menu or something. Quiero ambos. But I like this even more. Ambos tenemos muy buen gusto. We both have very good taste. Ambos tenemos muy buen gusto. But I like this one even more. This is a great example. Ambos sabemos. We both know. Ambos sabemos que eso no es cierto. We both know that's not true. Isn't that a lovely sentence to be able to say? Okay, so memorize it and vuelve mañana. Ambos sabemos que eso no es cierto. Lovely thing to be able to say. Subscribe to the channel y nos vemos mañana. Adiós.